I feel real stank in this wig. I feel like I'm supposed to have an attitude with this wig on, you know? We're back. Let me go ahead and tell y'all about this wig real quick. It's not much to tell you about this wig. So this is the Janet Collection Cici wig, and I have Cici. I feel like Cici. I feel like substitute teacher Cici. Okay, cut it out, cut it out. So this is the Janet Collection Cici wig. I have the color Sandstone, and this is from the Essentials line. This wig is very beginner friendly. I'm gonna make this very quick. This is an on and gone wig, y'all. This is the classic wig that you put on when somebody's at the door, when you need to run a Target, when you need to run up the street. You know what? You can wear this wig every day. But this wig is giving me very wiggy vibes. Hands down. I love the color on this wig. It's very pretty, but I didn't melt this wig. I just put this wig on with my wig grip. I didn't even put powder in the parting space because it's so tight. Extremely humpy up here. It's not really filler hairs, but it's humpy. It's too dense. It is way too tight up here. Like, what is going on, Janet Collection? Come on, Janet. Y'all know better than this. But this wig, when I saw Essentials line, honestly, I knew what I knew there's certain wigs you know what kind of wig you signed up for. And this is that wig. It's a pretty everyday wig, but I don't know. So this bang right here, I wanted to love this bang, but what is this? I just feel very dated with this wig. I feel very old with this wig on. It's giving you some layers in here. I feel like the part is way too far off. It's not really flowing right for me. Maybe if I put it over some. I cannot shift this part. You can maybe go like that. Maybe curve it a little bit, but I don't even feel like trying with this wig. This is a classic on and gone wig. Seriously, this is a put the wig on your head real quick because you gotta go get the mail outside wig. That's how I feel with this wig. I don't know, I feel like this is one of those wigs that I reviewed when I first started my channel. It's an everyday wig. It's a beginner friendly wig. It's a beautiful color wig, but it's not really my favorite. The texture is more on the silky side, but it's not too silky. It doesn't feel like Barbie doll hair. It actually feels pretty good. It's not really giving me any tangles. The density is extremely light. This is the density. The way it's flipping, it's like it's supposed to be like this, but I don't even feel like putting no effort. Come on, Cici. Come on. I should have known better with this stock card looking like this. I should have known better. But I love Janet Collection. Let me be clear. Janet Collection makes some good wigs. But lately, I don't know how I feel about y'all, Janet. Y'all make great wigs. I think that was getting to the head. I think the fact that Janet Collection has good wigs was getting to their head, because start over. As far as the length goes in the back, this is how it will look in the back. Very thin. But y'all see this wig? I mean, I did go off camera and try to put some heat up here, but I feel like it's so humpy. It's so much going on in here. The way all these tracks are laid, it's hard to kind of lay this flat, so it's looking really humpy to me. But it's $35. Do I feel like she's worth $35? I can't tell y'all what to do with y'all life, but I wouldn't pay $35 for this wig. personally. But that's why you can rebuy this wig with my wig sale, because it's gonna be on sale. So check the link below. This wig, I feel like this is more of a $25 wig, honestly. Some people might like it, you know, but for me, I feel real stank in this wig. I feel like I'm supposed to have an attitude with this wig on, you know. Issues, y'all. It is beginner friendly and it's pretty if you like this style. Let me take the feelings out of it. I think if you're feeling this style, it's pretty, but for me, the layers are just kind of weird. I feel really dated with this wig. I just feel really, I don't know, it's not for me, but it might be for you. So, you know, use your discretion. I didn't have to use any lace tint spray. I didn't have to use any adhesive. I literally put a wig grip on, and like I said, I didn't put any powder because I gave up, y'all. I'm ready to just take this wig off right now. It's comfortable. Definitely use a wig grip, because this is one of those wigs that I know this is one of them wigs where by the end of the day, you will look like this. You will be sliding back in aisle 8 in Target, and nobody gonna tell you. This is that wig that will slide back on you. And this is that wig. So definitely put a wig grip on with this wig. I don't know how I feel. I just feel like we're kind of past this, you know. This is why some people don't wear wigs, because stuff like this. As far as hairline, why are you telling me you giving me HD pre-pluck hairline? Come on now, y'all. Come on. Come on. Y'all playing. Y'all just throwing words in there at this point. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.